Hello everyone, now we have to create this review section. So let's do it. So I go to Elementor editor and first we need to create a container. So click on this plus icon and click on flex box. Then here I click on direction column. Okay, now we have in between space as 120. So let's add it. Go to advanced, remove default margin and padding and add margin top as 120. Okay, then let's go to the Figma design, and on Figma design the height is 600. So let's add it. Click on the container and on layout min height will be 600. Okay, now as the first step let's add this background image. To do that I will click on the image like this, select the image, then click on this export button. Okay, it's downloaded and now I go to tinypng.com and will upload it to reduce the file size. Okay, then I click this button to download it. Now what I am going to do is go to our Elementor website and here go to style and click on background type as classic, then click on this choose image and just upload the image like this. Then I will copy this text. Let's add this text as alt text of this image. So let's add it like this. Then click on select. Okay, on settings make the image full, position center, attachment will be default or it's just make it like fixed, and repeat no repeat, size is cover, display size will be cover like this. Attachment is not fixed, attachment should be scroll, and display size will be auto, or we can add cover. Okay, now we have background. So next what we have to do is add in this text. It's pretty easy. We can just click here and add the headline like this. Then just go here, copy the text and paste the text here. Then let's duplicate this headline and now let's copy this text and paste the text like this. Then let's change the HTML tag to h3 and now let's go to style and here we selected the sub headline. Click on this typography global font and set the subheader. Then change color to this text color like this, and also we have to do the style changes of this header. So to do that select it, style, and make it alignment center, header, then here text color. Also we have to make this align center, and not only that I will click on the main container and on layout make the align item center like this. Okay, here let's see in between size. The in between size is 10. Here it seems too close, so let's fix it. To fix it we can just click like this and click on this pencil icon. Then let's change the line height. Let's make line height as 50. Yeah, 50 will be work, so add it like 50. And what we have to do is click here and also select the header. Then we can go to global fonts and we can edit the header and add line height as 50 like this. Now click on save changes and click here to go back or go to the editor. Okay, now we have to add the top and bottom padding. To do that click here and click on this section and then select the header and press all to find the in between size. It's 70, and what about this? It's also 70. So click on the container, on advanced, add top padding as 70 and the bottom will be also 70. Okay, now what we have to do is create those reviews. It's pretty simple, and before we create it we have to add the in between size. So here in between size is 30. Maybe we can add it with margin, so let's skip it for now. So to add reviews I click on add element and here I will search review. Okay, here we got the reviews widget. Just add it like this. Okay, now we have 3 reviews. For now let's keep all 3 of those dummy reviews, and here let's see. First I will select this review box and now see what we have to adjust. So as the first option we have sides per view. In here we have 1, 2, 3 sides. So I just click 3 and slide to scroll. Let's make it like 1, not 2, 1. So it will be scroll 1 after 1. Okay, now we keep it default, and on additional option we don't need arrows because there is no arrows. If you like, you can keep the arrows. And autoplay, yes, autoplay speed 5000, which means 5000 milliseconds. In seconds it's 5 seconds. Okay, now infinity loop will be yes, push on hover will be yes, push on interaction will be yes. Okay, and also we can add lazy load. Lazy load means if review is not present on the website structure, it will not load until it show on the design. Okay, now we have to go to styles. On styles, before we go to styles, let's add real reviews, or let's add real details. First I will remove those 2 items and keep only item 1. And first here we have to choose the image. To do that, I will go here and click like this, click on this image, click this image, click this image. Let's select all 3 of them and then click on export 3 layers, and it downloaded as zip. So I just click on it. I am using Mac. If you are using Windows, just right click and extract it. And here we have the review images. So let's go to TinyPNG and add those reviews. Okay, now I will download all 3 like this. Okay, now I have all of 3 reviews. So if you check this review image name, it's just random name. So we can add actual name of this person to these images. That will help to rank these images in Google, and it also a professional way to showcase our images. So to do that, I will just click here and let's copy this name, and this is a best practice. So then I will come here and rename like this, and I will do same for the rest of the images. Okay, now our images are ready. So I highlight all of them and let's go to our website and click here. Then I will just drag and drop to upload those images to our website. And here we go. Now here I will copy this title and paste it as alt text and click on select. Now we have to add the name. So to add the name, let's highlight and copy the name, paste the name. Then we have to add the title, copy the title, paste the title here, and rating will be 5. And icon, we don't need social media icon like this, so I will remove it. And also link will be empty. Then we have to add this text and paste the text like this. Okay, now we have the first review. Now what I can do is duplicate this review for 2 more times and click like this. Then first let's add the image. This one should be the image. Add alt tag to the image. Okay, now here copy the name like this, copy the title like this, rating will be 5, and copy this text like this and paste like this. So if you want rating like 3, you can just add it like 3, but adding 3 is not good for business, so let's add it as 5. Okay, now we have to edit the third one. Click here and add it like this. Then edit the title, add the title and paste the title like this. Then click here to add the title. This is the name, this is the title. Okay, then add the review, just add it like this. Okay, now we have all 3 reviews. Let's fix the design issue. To do that, I go to style. On style, let's find out the space between. So select one of this review and press alt and hover over the next review. It's 20. Let's add space between as 20, and border width, let's make it 0. We don't need border. Then border radius, let's see, the border radius is 20, and Then the top and bottom padding is 20 and left and right is 9. So let's add those details. The padding, click here, then here, top 20, right 9, bottom 20, left 9. Okay, now we have to add the background color. Actually we can add background color to header. Let's keep it like default color, and here we can see a separator. If you want, you can show it, but I am not going to show it, so untick it to hide. And now on text, the text color will be text color and typography will be button. Let's see the typography. Here the typography is open sans semibold 18. So let's add those details. Select the paragraph and family is open sans 18, width is semibold like this. Then line height is 30. I think it's 30. Yeah, line height is 30. Okay, then the title, so title text color also will be this color. And let's see the typography. Typography is open sans regular 16. So let's make it. First select the paragraph and then click this edit icon. Size is 16, width is normal, and line height also 30 like this. Okay, now we have to adjust the images. So the image size, let's find out the image size. So it's 92. See, the image size is 92, so let's just add 92. Okay, now let's go here, and actually let's go here. The border radius gaps, let's keep those as, actually we have to add the gap. So gap between the image and text is 15, so let's add it as 15, and we don't need to add border radius. And icon, let's find out the icon. So the icon size is 23 by 22. Let's make it as 22. No, this icon is about social media icon. We don't need to add it, so just ignore it. On rating, the size is 22, and let's find out the spacing. Spacing is, let's see 9. Let's make it like 10. No, yeah, let's make it like 10. Okay, then the color is, let's find out the color. Here is the color. Just copy the color code and go here, then paste the color code like this. Alright, now it's looking pretty good. Here we have a issue. This is not in the same line. We can easily fix it by removing this gap. Let's reduce the gap. So yeah, let's make gap as 9. See, yeah, now it's looking good. Then we have on text, did we change the review text? No, here we have the review text. So click on typography and the color will be also text color like this. Okay, now what we have to do is add in this pagination, or the change design of this pagination. To do that, go to navigation. On navigation, let's see this pagination size is 15 by 15 and space is 20. So let's add 15 is the size, space is 20. Then the color is primary color and active color is text color. See, just pretty good. See, now what we have to do is add in spacing. So if we check this container, and on here the row spacing is 10, which means we have to add 20 more because the spacing between is here 30. So to do that, what we can do is go here and click here, and on advanced, margin top, add as 20, and now here we have 30 of the size. Okay, now what we have to do is make them center. To do that, click on this container and on here set justify content as center. Okay, now it's looking pretty good. So we successfully designed the review section. However, I can see here is spacing, so let's try to fix it. We don't need this spacing. So yeah, we have spacing in between. Let's try to fix it. Let's go to container. Let's make width as 100%. Yeah, when we add width as 100%, that's fixed, and now it's looking pretty good. Okay, now click on save draft to save the changes.